Hi, I'm Desiree Holmes Scherini, Master Transpersonal Hypnotherapist and NATH board member. And I am really excited about also being a presenter for the 2021 annual conference. I just want to hop in here and just tell you a little teeny bit about what my presentation's about, and also just to say how excited I am to be back in person in Virginia Beach with others, and actually, get to give you a hug if you're okay with that, and to just share and talk and enjoy that energy that happens when like-minded people are coming together. Not to mention, I'm excited about all the other presenters and their offerings because, just so much to learn always, and from wonderful people that have such knowledge. So I'm just excited about being there, and also delighted that I will also be sharing a presentation with you. My presentation happens to take place on Friday the 5th at 3:15, and hopefully that some of you that will be there early will come to that. It's a 2-hour presentation, and it's something a little different about tying the nature of our humanness to hypnosis. Primarily, the presentation will be on the sevenfold nature of the human being. And what is that about? So, as we are all energy, it will be going into discussing our energetic being and how we have at least, but primarily 7 levels of our being, of our existence. Most of us understand what an aura is. That's another level. It's outside of our physical body, but it is who we are. And we have multiple levels, and some of them are accessible, some of them are beyond our conscious awareness. And the way this ties into hypnosis is that some of these levels are accessed through certain hypnotic processes like past life and life between lives. And so I'm going to be presenting on the sevenfold nature of a human being so that you can better understand yourself and better understand the processes and what areas, what level of our frequencies and being are we mingling with and reaching when we do some of these more in-depth processes. I'm excited to be sharing it. I hope to see you there on Friday the 5th at 3:15 at the National Association of Transpersonal Hypnotherapists. Bye.